We are rolling. Oh, where? Show him.
Oh, it's all melted inside.
Show him.
He's still good. Oh, there's a BB that stuck to it. You're shooting at it.
Oh, nice smell.
Speaker. That's good.
Look how good that was.
Oh, that was nasty.
We're putting one more.
Oh, we're gonna put another one. Another big one?
Yep.
Okay.
Another big one.
Hold on.
Firecracker.
Where are you putting it? We gotta exterminate the alien from the planet Earth. The alien menace robot.
Oh, it's all sticky and gross in there.
Back up!
Oh, my ear. That's loud. That's so loud.
Where is it? Pick him up.
Oh, he's hot.
Something blew over here.
Oh, he's still fine. Hold on. Stick one in his head. His legs might fly off.
I think he's okay. There's pieces way over here. There's a big piece of his head.
Stick one in his head. Where?
Right down there.
Oh, there it is.
Don't touch it.
That one was loud.
Oh, my ear.
That was way louder than the first one.
Here's part of it.
Nice. Okay, we're shutting it off.
Cool. Oh, you have those? Nice.
We got some small ones now. I don't think that these will do anything. They're too small.
Might.
Put one in each leg. Both of them.
Crack this pelvis some more.
Oh, does that ever stink?
One more should break them up.
Blow up Aaron. Let's blow up your shoe. See what happens. Good job. That was.
It's smoking. Oh, nice.
Oh, a piece flew over there.
There's a couple of pieces that went.
Oh, that's hot.